Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to go over how to save a Word document as a PDF and also how to open a PDF inside of Microsoft Word so that you can make and save changes to an existing PDF. So I'm in Word right now and I have just opened one of the templates. This is for a party invitation, and I would like to show you how I would create this party invitation as a PDF so I can send it out to people who might not have Microsoft Word, since PDF is a pretty universal format for most people reading a document. It's actually really simple. I can just type in my party and then I can type in all of my other information down here, and then I just go up to File, Export. Right here I go to Create PDF. And then I can type in the name of my file, make sure I've selected PDF, which should be selected by default if you've gone to export, and just hit publish. Now if I go and find my file on File Explorer, you can see a PDF right here. If I double click on that, you will see that it loaded in Adobe Reader because that is my default program for PDFs. But you can see it says my party, so this is my invitation. It's just now in a PDF format for me to send out to people who can read PDFs. So I'm going to go back to Word and I'm just going to go to File, Close, and I'm not going to save this document. But what I would like to show you here is that you can also open and edit a PDF inside of Microsoft Word. So if you go to File, Open, let's open up the PDF that we have just created, the one called myparty.pdf. If I hit Open, you will get a message saying that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word file. Just say OK on that. And you can see that my PDF has now come in, and I can click here and I can now edit my party. I can edit the date of my party, and I can edit all of the other information. So this is a great way, if you receive a PDF, to be able to come back and edit PDFs inside of Microsoft Word. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Next, I'd like to show you a clever little hack you can do in Microsoft Word. So right here, if you look in the top left, you can see that I have a picture of a recipe. Say I have a reason that I would like the text off of this recipe from a picture. So I'm going to close that and go back into Microsoft Word and go to File, Blank Document. And now I'm going to insert my picture, and I'm going to stretch it so it's a little bit larger so that Word can read the words. If I go up to File, Save As, and select the location where I would like to save this file. This is another option for creating a PDF. Last time we looked at the export, but here I can go down here to save file as type. And up here, I'm just going to write recipe, and I'm going to hit save. So this document now has been saved as a PDF. If I look back in my file folder, I can see it right here. So I'm just going to close my original Word document that I just created, and I'm not going to save it. But if I go to File, Open, and I go to Browse, and I open the PDF that I just created, I'm going to get this conversion message again. So if I say OK, I have now opened my picture, but all of the text is there, and it's now editable, and I can get all of that text from a picture through a PDF into Microsoft Word. Hopefully that's a new tip for you in case you're ever in a situation where you need to convert text on an image into Microsoft Word. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of more information on what you can do with PDFs and Microsoft Word, how you can create them, and how you can also edit them. Hope you learned something new today, and look forward to seeing you again next time.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions, and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.